Hello and welcome to Maths with Udom. My name still remains your online tutor, Mr. Okon Udom. Today, we are going to look at conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. Conversion of improper fractions into mixed fractions. So let's start. Okay, conversion of improper fractions into what? Mixed fractions. To convert, well, what is an improper fraction? Let's start from there. An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is bigger than the denominator. The numerator is bigger in value than the what? Denominator. Okay? And we have two steps we can follow to solve any problem like this. To convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, we have two steps involved. The first step is that we are going to find how many times the denominator will divide into the numerator. How many times will the denominator divide into the numerator? And then the second thing is that the remainder will give us the fractional part. The remainder will give us the fractional part. So let's start. I want to give you an example. The example, okay? Let's have some examples. Express the following. Okay, express the following as mixed fractions. Express the following as what? Mixed fractions. Okay, let's have the first example. 19 divided by 8. Number 2, let's have 18 divided by 7. And the third one, let's have 23 divided by 6. Okay, solution. Number 1, we want to convert 19 divided by 8 into what? Into a mixed fraction. So the first thing is that how many times will 8 divide through the numerator? How many 8 can you find in 19? How many 8 can go through 19? Remember, 8 times what? 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, so we have 19 divided by 8 will give us what? 2. Remember what? Remainder 3. So from here we have 2 remainder 3. Okay, so let's have it from here. 2 remainder 3, that will be 2 plus 3 divided by what? The denominator. The denominator is what? 8. And that will give us what? We combine these two together. We combine this whole part and the fractional part together. Okay, and that will give us what? 2 whole number 3 over 8. Okay, so that is how to solve that. We have converted this what? Improper fraction into what? Into mixed fraction. Let's have the second example. Example 2. What do we have? 18 divided by 7. So 18 divided by 7. How many times will 7 go through 18? Okay, how many times will 7 divide into 18? So we have 18 divided by 7. Remember, 7 times 2 is 14. So which means 7 can go into 18 2 times. Okay, so we have 2 times. Remember what? Okay, remember 4. Okay, remainder 4. Okay, so from here we have 2 whole number, we add the remainder 4 divided by what? Our denominator 7. So the next thing is for us to combine the whole part and the fractional part together, and that will give us what? 2 whole number 4 over 7. So that is our answer. We have 2 whole number 4 divided by 7. So we have succeeded in converting an improper fraction into what? Into a mixed fraction. Let's have the third example. Example 3. Okay, for example 3, what do we have? We have 23 divided by 6. Okay, 23 divided by 6. So we have 23 divided by 6. How many 6 can go into 23? Remember, 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so 6 can divide into 23. How many times? 3 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times. Remember what? Remainder 5. So how do we join that together? From there we have 3 whole number plus our remainder 5 divided by what? Denominator 6. Then we join them together. We join the whole part and the fractional part together. And that will give us what? 3 whole number 5 over 6. That is our answer. 3 whole number 5 over 6. Okay? So we have succeeded in converting what? A proper fraction into what? Into a mixed fraction. Before I go, I want to give you assignments. Assignments. So take your assignments. So your assignment is that we are going to express the following as mixed fractions. Express the following as mixed fractions. So let's have the assignment. The first one is 29 divided by what? By 2. Let's have 81 divided by 7. And let's have 125 divided by 4. And then number 4, let's have 100 divided by 3. And then number 5, let's have 77 divided by 2. So this is your assignment. You have to convert the following or express the following as what? As mixed fractions. You express the following as mixed fraction. You do this, submit to your teachers in school for marking an appropriate score, and do your correction. Remember to like this video, drop your comment in the comment section, share this video to all your friends all over the world, and most importantly, click on the subscribe button under this video. Remember, the only way to know mathematics, to understand mathematics, and to be a mathematics guru is to keep on practicing. Until I come your way again next time, my name still remains Uncle Okon Udon, and I'm saying to you, remain mathematically sound. See you in my next class. Bye for now.